SG World USA's patented AED inspection solution helps you meet OSHA standards and makes certain those AED inspections are done every month so it's ready to use in the event of an emergency. The yellow paddle will attach to the AED cabinet or the wall next to it to clearly display the safety status of the unit. Every month the inspector will come along, take out the AED inspection book and be guided through all the parts of the AED that need to be inspected by way of a checklist. Once they've signed it to take responsibility for the safety of that unit, the top copy will be removed and the OSHA record will stay in the book to be stored with the AED. The top copy that's been removed will fold in half, and assuming that in this case the AED has passed its inspection, the inspector writes the date, the time and their name on the green side. This serves as a visual display for everybody in the vicinity of the unit to see that the AED is safe to use, and more relevantly that the inspection is up to date and of course has the inspector's name as well. If it's failed, they'll show the red side, which clearly identifies the AED is requiring some repair or service, prompting that to happen so it's ready to go in the event of an emergency. SG World USA's patented AED inspection solution helps you make certain this emergency piece of equipment is ready to go and build your safety culture as well.